Hey everyone, so I want to talk about goals and using EFT to help you with your goals. So EFT is a tapping technique, it's emotional freedom techniques, and it works with your energy body, but I also think it works with your mindset, and it's a tool for using with the law of attraction, for manifesting the things that you want. So one of the things you want is your goal. Okay. And I think goal setting and the law of attraction, it all goes in together because it's focusing on something that you want to happen, something that you want to manifest or build or create yourself. Sometimes when I use the word manifest, people just like imagine like a genie or something like that. And it's not like that. That's not how it all works. So EFT is a simple tapping technique. We tap on, they're called meridian points, and these are like little doorways into your energy body. And we get the energy flowing just the way it's supposed to do. And we release any low emotions. We raise our vibrations so that we are a match for the things that we want. Okay, we get rid of all like things like limiting beliefs, any kind of emotional blocks that we have, anything like that. So it's all good stuff, all helps you. So I'm tapping today to add positive energy to my goals. I'm releasing any blocks that there might be, any limiting beliefs that I'm holding on to, I'm just releasing them, releasing any doubt that I can achieve this goal, and I'm raising my vibrations so that I am a match for manifesting this goal, for achieving this goal. So when I say like manifesting and achieving, the universe is going to do its thing, and it will help you if you're putting out what you want into the universe and you're a match for it. But it's a joint effort. It's a team effort between you and the universe. So you need to take the action as well. So I am achieving my goals. I'm raising my vibrations, and I am achieving my goals. I'm really clear about what my goals are, and I take action that is aligned with manifesting this goal. Achieving my goals becomes easier and easier because my energy is high, my vibrations are high, and I'm releasing any blocks to achieving these goals. I'm allowing the universe to support me. I'm allowing my subconscious mind to bring up anything that is hidden within its depths to support me. We've got so much going on in our subconscious mind, and it's like this like treasure trove of information. And when we ask for specific things, our subconscious mind can dig around and find out anything we need to help us that we already know. Raising my vibrations to achieve my goals. I'm releasing any blocks that stop me from achieving these goals. Any limiting beliefs, I'm just letting them go. Any doubt that I can achieve this goal, I'm letting it go. Take a deep breath, shake your arms out. Let's go again. I easily achieve my goals. It's so natural for me now to achieve my goals. I always know the next step to achieve my goals. I'm so motivated now to achieve my goals. Goal success is natural for me. No matter what's happened in the past, right now, I am someone who achieves my goals. I create goals that really matter to me, and I focus my attention on them. I add so much positive energy to my goals. I'm a match for achieving them. I let the universe support me. And I believe in my ability to achieve these goals. Shake out. So what I recommend that you do now is have a big glass of water and really, really focus in on one of your key goals and take some action right now. Let me know in the comments what you're doing. Okay, take care, and I'll be back with some more EFT affirmations tips real soon. Bye.